Welcome to the October 2020 Raptor update. We're going to present 3 new editing tools that are available now in Raptor. We're going to talk about copy paste, Picklist, and a temporarily ignore feature. Okay, we're going to demonstrate a few new features in Raptor. I'm going to start by uploading a document. Now here's a transcript that we're going to go ahead and scan. Okay, now as you can see, Raptor did a pretty good job, and of course we're always striving for and tuning the algorithms so that we get as high accuracy as possible. You can see we got several of the courses here, but here we had a couple of cleanup issues. So the new features that I'm showing you are related to cleaning up the data when it's not exactly right. So first off, how can you insert a row? You can put your cursor in the last row and just hit enter. It will insert a row. You can also right click on the last row and you can insert rows. Now the first cleanup feature is copy and paste. So you could see that one of the titles that we missed here is physical environment. Okay, so let's say we want to grab this title with that. And so you have a new right click the physical environment box here, copy to clipboard, and you can simply paste that here. Sorry, with the Control V or with your whatever your paste function is on your computer. So let's show that one more time. Just going to clear that out. I right click on the title, copy to clipboard, and then just Control V or paste using whatever your keyboard paste shortcut is. Copy and paste is going to be most useful with titles to save you the keystrokes, but you can actually copy and paste any field. Let's say you wanted to grab the 4 units here, paste those. So it's your choice how you want to use that. Grab the subject. Obviously, in some cases, you can type it faster than you can copy it. Now, you could also, because that's copy and paste, you could also, once you've copied it, you could also paste it back into PeopleSoft or whatever your student system is, if that's your preference. So that's the copy paste feature. Very simple, by right clicking on the results. By the way, you do have to at least process the file first, so that you have some red or green regions to be right-clicked. Let's go to the second new feature, the second new feature is the Picklist, and we'll show you that. So let me rescan. I'm going to clear my grid and then just reprocess the same file. So you'll see here again, the title that we're interested in here is this physical environment title. I'm going to insert a row. And so when you have an empty title, empty row, just type into the field. And so the pick list is what you'll see here. Physical environment can be selected. The pick list is available only for the title field because that's the one that involves the most keystrokes. And so again, here's another example. Intermediate algebra is not present in the grid. So you can insert a row. Let's just do that. Okay, then in the title field, just start typing intermediate, and you can see that the title's available. The only titles available in the pick list will be any of the text that is not already in the grid. Okay, so you've seen 2 cleanup features. One is copy and paste, right click, copy, and then paste into the field. The other was the pick list. Again, where you just start typing in the column. Now, the third feature I want to show you, let's clear out our grid and show you this again. The third feature is called ignore. Temporarily ignore is available by right-clicking. That's this temporarily ignore. And so this is to tell Raptor that, again, once you've already scanned it one time, if there's cleanup to be done, you can see here that because we had a wrap around title here, we had some mistakes in reading. This should actually be, that should be Math 20 Intermediate Algebra, right? So I could fill in the title here with the Picklist function, but now it's picking up that title seminar. So let's just say I want to ignore, we're going to ignore the word macroeconomics here, since that's wrapping around. We're going to ignore the word seminar here, and maybe the word writing here. So with that, and you'll see when I right click and ignore a word, you'll see a temporary ignore list here. I can then rescan that document. So there you can see that it ignored the word seminar when it rescanned the document. The ignore function really is only going to be helpful if you have a word that occurs multiple times throughout the document, so that it's causing a problem in the scan. If this word seminar appeared, 3, 4, 5 times under various courses, it might be worth adding to the ignore and then rescanning the document. When you have only a single word here or there that's an issue, it's probably just going to be cleaner to manually clean that up in the grid. Okay, that concludes the October 2020 update regarding a few new features to try to help you in any cleanup, particularly the title field. Okay, thank you.